Gama be di be 1 week 2-3 days na ma ba na nya broche bi na ya na mo ba no muhu hwe wa broche wu nti e mama adwene mu nya den enwie ye me kai that time I was school obi say wa boga no akodi be 2 months na wa ba na wa boga na ye boge no umboga e be ma oba unima broche ukodi 2 months unim de yekoso wo ho hina wo hu ye uni system nim. So what do you know about abrochiri? Jack monshana mo fa no kranto baby dana boy no na asem ye me ya se man hye me ho so han metima ye nema bi ama wa ha be broso nti na ma hye me ho so bi ko asem ne ha me pa ha makoma se yetima bu obi kom di ade a hye ne kom sei up to now police phone ye den entimi anye den o se den achi sack this shatter again. Me the men on me who say this anyum no because me no me this no me music and me I know what is music. You be this am obi a you know and I say akọ de kra na mo so wade se Shatawale no me no say akọ de me feeling no by to de bia na nema bi o ye na mani nye ho as we coward you know as we throw Shatawale no no so no so ne ade ono so onye kakai we nipa tse wo a so and now president no who president no odi watem who sire no odi watem ntu de onya nipa ntu de wo no chese wo de wo no emoja nya moja na gum enya moja na gum watching from Kumasi Thanos mention my name Akili. Oh okay, that's what's up. So it means say you know me who say this enya this just okay can this rana onya na direct ni who say this you know and I say according to Shatawale asem so me nya dia me meka bi because say according no oka bi man okura later no asan ko gina ba bi na or president ga no I don't know it was no said I don't know Kwaku Smoke ne Shatawale case no ya matese Shatawale afa chire pachawo mamuntie Kwaku Smoke mamun mo obi antie eye wu akwokum yetimi de epeja o se de okon wo ho na Shatawale atambo ede ayede ehwehwe wo ka ayi wase wo ka na na boro te ho hwe me ko ka se wo ehufu a onti ase na na boro wo kura Shatawale se wo bebo and I feel I'm on your brow person who take a case into the next level. I'm very bad. Was it you are right about Sack being scared? Yeah. Maybe it's too long time because that time I'll be Sack what about advice. Advice na Adiachi and I was saying president Ghana. Yeah, so na obetia sa on Ghana on ne kokoti no watia na wi ana wo san president you know na say ye be di wachi nyina no what disappoint ye nyesi di wachi say ye tan obi nti na di wachi ye di wachi say obetene Jimmy phobia wo Jimmy so ati ase obeme na ni ada ho ene nyina Ghana fo ene je ye na ye boje oso so ati ase nti no it na president Ghana nti me de o masem de enya masem me boy na na asem me ya so ultimi go boy no play plan sa no Ghana police this is your first and last warning what you say akrum ha yo you can you can tell the police whatever you wanna freedom of speech is everywhere provided say I'm not insulting you I'm telling my mind you have to take this case into consideration because that nigga giant me do need that man what yo bro where's the food
you order this one they take a lot longer than
yeah no problem. So na me chemo no enti no case ni dey omonhwe Ghana police the first I say achieve what you do. You don't know what I do. But they want to know what I do. shout out to that guy. Shout out to my fans, you know.
You big man Wale. I dey do this video personally to tag you, Bosu. See, you know me, you know say Smoke, me I dey respect you from head to toe. Bosu, when you know yourself, say me, I never go leave God can't fear you. It never go happen. Something happen, I come to your studio with my song. You get that on them song. We vibed for the studio there with my song. You try to do a vibe on Namsef. I get the video, the emails, everything for here. It be like a month now. I dey wait for the verse. Next minute I see you do some song with the same vibe. You get where I tell Boro say make he can't tell you say I use the vibe. So make we focus on them because me I send you self. We did the studio there we play. Say I dey want a verse from you. I don't want to put the song out. It come out with your own on them, the same vibe. People go talk, say, it's either I steal from you or you steal from me. You know be clean. Nobody mind me. Next minute, you can't post for Instagram. That means say you they bring the song out. Boss, you me a boy, I can't talk my mind. You boy, you they talk your mind. Nobody they stop you. Boss, you me a boy, I can't talk my mind. You hear this, you can't call me, say, if I no see you 1 hour, I go beat you out. See, boss, you no need look for me. Me everywhere you dey, be me. I go show up, make your boy stretch me, make you beat me, you tire, I go come my house. You get now I know the fee move. My people can't take my car. Then say you go bend the car. You go bend the car, so make I no drive again. But I tell Boro, I tell and say, you no need look for me bend my car. Me, I go meet you with the car, make you bend them. You bend them finish, I go come my house. I get nothing to lose. See, this boy, they see me at the top floor. No need push me. You get at the top floor. I get nothing to lose. So these things you go do to me, if that be the only way you go take prove yourself, then you be loser. Cause something come, you for analyze them. See, that song they here. See. Make a play show you.
On them. I feel with the bring the fire on them.
Make a play your own too. I dey come. 1 minute. You see, it be the same vibe on them. I tell you, Bossu, I tell you, graph them, make them tell you. Say, people go. Yesterday, you see, I post the song. People come, hey, you still Wale in vibe. Bossu, you know yourself. When I send this song to you, you get something happen. Moku analyze them. What he happen now? You talk say you go make a leave Ghana music industry. Then see me. I did see my monitors this, my mic then things. I do the music for year. I dey feel sleep for bed then listen. They make me happy. Me I know they do music. They chase after dollars. Me I know they do that. I be okay. I don't get nothing. I be okay. You get. So Sean they talk say something happen. Moku, oh Smoke, you be my boy. Why you do this thing? Who is do? But make you no do like Smoke. I meet him. I go beat him. Yesterday, see this thing you go talk or see. He dey here.
You be my brother. You be my listen.
You then borrow the talk or he send me say Smoke, you see what you make Wale, they tell me, you see what they put me through. Bozu, I don't put anybody through anything. I tell you people from the very beginning, nobody mind me. Now make nobody can tell me anything. You get that thing I bore, I talk. Wale, you the boy, you the talk. You know they fear anybody. Me, I know they fear anybody. You get, you see, you pass through your level. You know your level. You know where you enter. Me, I know my level. I know where you, that your song, I did like him. That your level, I dey like. You know your level. You enter places. Me, I enter places. See, nobody they get time easy. Me, I never get time easy. Make you never think say I get time easy. This boy be that about go. I know the fear about you. When you not say me, I know they do this for hype. You know. I know they do this for hype. You said you tell me Smoke, come my house, can't record. Then see, how many times you see say I step your house before? How many times? Comparing me to the other boys, every day then go to your house. You see, say me, I come your house before. Like how many times? You give me privilege, say make I can record for there. How many times you see me for there? See me, I no be anti-show. I no be I no be anti-show. Go ask everybody. Ask your captain. Say me they go the same school. Then come he be my junior for school. Ask him. Say he ever hear my name or see me for places said before. You not go hear of me. You see me for party before. You see me for club. Where people gather, you see say I did there. But you don't know be how I grew up. You get everybody there in life. So something happen and make you know I talk something. We they analyze that thing. Make you know talk say, this boy, I go beat him, you the one hype. Me, I the one hype. When I had, you no give me. You if you post my video, then I get 2,000 followers. I will leave that one, come go at you. I know the rise at you, boss. You. I talk my mind, just like you. See, you boy, you talk your mind. I talk my mind. So make you no talk say you dey look for me, beat me. I get those videos for here. I give either here. You get make you no talk say you go meet me, you go beat me, you go. But you, I no go run go anywhere. I know they go na Vrungo. I dey here. I dey Accra here. No need. The beating be the way you go make you look like say you be big manner, then you be loser. Cause the only thing you go fit do be say you dey use your stardom intimidate me. If you get anything, do other than that. Make we analyze the thing. Say if I dey lie, I dey lie. Do whatever you dey like to me. Cause he dey everywhere. Travis Scott them so somebody fit play some tune for them at this thing inside. He be in one, he go claim him, he go charge you $20 million than things. Here we know certain things know they work. I dey tell you my mind, boss. You nobody dey mind me. I talk my mind. I talk my mind that I talk. You get nobody no. So Sean they talk say you go beat me. They beat in there, it be normal thing. See, where you dey, where you be tagged for, you be Nima. I know say you say you leave Nima before. See, me I be 16 years. I leave school, go hustle for there. A full year. I don't know the beating, they no beat we for there. I don't know the kwase, they no kwase we for there. See, whatever you dey pass through, we pass through, like your song goes. I know my level. Sally, I dey my lane inside, boss you. I dey my lane inside. I know they do this for hype. I know they need. You get, I get everything to be day on the street. You they see me, you they like talk true. You where you hear of me, all the what the boys they do, I feel do some, but that no be my life, boss. You see this room, my day, I dey do everything, I dey sleep. That be my life. So make you no talk like you they do that like I go lose something. I no go lose nothing, cause I no get nothing. I be dirty boy. When this boy you they fight you dey fight with, see, this boy, you dey fight with me, I no get nothing. So you take everything from me, you still end at nothing. Cause me, I no get nothing. The only thing I dey tell you be say I get, tell me I go fear, be say, hey, I go take God from you. That one I go fear. But I get God, I no go leave am, can't fear you, boss. I no see you. You get, if you like, beat me, do whatever. I go come your day. Something come. Smoke, you be my boy. Moku we talk about why you do this, why you know they do that. But you say you go beat me, you go beat me. I for come your house, make you beat me. I won't make you beat me. You tire, I go come because that be the only way you go fit prove yourself. If you say I dey lie, the song this, make we analyze them, make we check the videos, make we check the emails. Then the people too, then they talk like Smoke, you we the SM artists, you the send me trade, you go do you reach heaven and then you take SM what then they call them membership card goes, they make God make you enter.